In this video, we will walk through how to make a payment in EAMS. First, log into EAMS and select your account. Now select Payments. You will see that there are several options for payments. Pay taxes due, pay via confirmation code, or pay via payment coupon. When you're in the Payments menu, select Pay taxes due. This will give you the option to either pay for outstanding individual quarters by selecting the buttons, or you can pay in full by selecting the button next to Overall Total. When finished, select Continue Payment. Enter the name of the person or business listed on the bank account, routing number, and account number. Note, some bank accounts use corporate blocks that prevent ACH withdrawals from unauthorized companies. To use electronic payments, you must contact your financial institution and authorize employment security by providing its company ID. The company ID is UITAX-EPAY. When finished, select Continue Payment. Review your payment information. When you're finished, select Submit Payment. You will see a green prompt stating that your payment completed successfully. You can print your payment confirmation or go back to the dashboard. If you want to make a payment with the confirmation code from your tax return, select Pay via Confirmation Code. Enter your confirmation code in this field and select Check Confirmation Code. Note, you cannot use a confirmation code from an amended return. Review your report details. You can alter the payment amount if necessary. Select Continue Payment to proceed. If you previously entered your payment information, it will carry over. You can select your account or enter your new bank account information. When finished, select Continue Payment. Review your payment information. When you are finished, select Submit Payment. You will see a green prompt stating that your payment completed successfully. You can print your payment confirmation or go back to the dashboard. If you do not want to send an electronic payment, you're able to print a payment coupon to mail a check. To do so, select Pay via Payment Coupon. Select the quarter, year, and enter the amount due. When finished, select Generate and Print Payment Coupon. A pop-up window will appear. From here, you can print your payment coupon. Ensure that you mail your payment to the address listed. If you have locked services, you will have access to your payment history and the ability to cancel a payment. You will see when your payment's been debited, the quarter and year it was applied, and the type of payment and other information. If you want to cancel a payment, select the Cancel button in the Actions column. You are required to enter a reason. When finished, select Yes, Cancel Payment. EAMS will want you to confirm. Select Confirmed, Cancel Payment. You will see that your payment has been canceled.